going on, guys? It's Jake here, back again. And guys, thank you so much for responding to the last video. But yeah, guys, this is gonna be a really funny episode, guys. And I'm here with two funny people, and I'm here with my uncle.
Oh yeah, I am here in Murder Mystery 2.
Yeah, guys, and I'm also here with brother. Say hello.
Hello. This is my first time meeting Uncle, and I'm actually pretty nervous.
Uncle, what do you think about brother?
Well, Jake, if I were to be completely honest, I don't love him. I don't love him at all.
And brother, what do you think about uncle?
He's pretty mean if I'm being completely honest.
Yeah, guys, but anyways, guys, we're a happy family. But anyways, guys, today we're gonna be doing a funny tutorial. And what's that gonna be, uncle?
Yeah, we're gonna become the Rock.
Yeah, guys. But before this video continues, guys, a word from our sponsor.
Sorry guys, there's no sponsor. I just want free money.
Yeah, guys. Well, anyways, guys, uncle, can you show us how to turn into the Rock?
Alright, so Jake, to become the Rock, all you gotta do is go up to Nicholas here.
Okay.
You see, he has the golden knife, right?
Okay.
Oh yeah, so what you wanna do is kiss him because he has such a lovely knife, and tell him he's a wonderful person. And
Okay.
say that you love him forever.
Okay, let me try. You're a lovely person, and I'll love you forever, unlike my brother. Okay?
Whoa, Jake, that wasn't very nice.
Shut up, brother!
Okay, so now you'll get an email from Minecraft Studios.
Oh my god, I just got one! Okay, so it
Yeah.
says, oh, this is super complex. What we need to do, guys, is Uncle and brother, you stay here because I don't like you. Uncle, come over here. Okay, Uncle, so what we do is we just kind of reposition ourselves here, and we just look straight into the camera, okay? And
Oh, yeah.
all we need to do is say cheese.
Jeez.
Okay, and if we just go into our settings now, go into volume, put it up to 1 volume, and oh my god, guys, I'm the Rock. Look at that, Uncle. Oh my god, you're the
Oh my
Rock.
God.
Oh my god, but brother's not here because he's not the Rock, guys. Yeah, I don't even know where brother is. Yeah, guys.
What?
But yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of the tutorial. Uncle, do you want to show us a funny trick before we end?
Oh, yeah. So first thing you want to do is go up here.
Okay.
Fucking shit at this. Okay.
Whoa, you're up there. Hopefully you don't fall off.
Yeah, it'd be a real shame if I fell off.
Yeah.
No! Are
Are
you fucking kidding me?
man? Fucking hate this mission.
Yeah, guys, a hot world. Thanks for watching. I watch more of my videos.
Videos.
Yeah, thanks for watching.